Let's discuss question number 7 from test 3. This is from thermodynamics, applied thermodynamics. In a Rankine cycle, saturated stream enters in turbine. What type of heat will be released or absorbed by the condenser? Well, for this, let's draw the Rankine cycle in a TS diagram. Now, if you remember, this is the saturated dome where the phase change for water can be captured from liquid to vapor. So the Rankine cycle, you have the boiler. Okay, let's draw the two constant pressure lines, maximum pressure and the boiler pressure and the condenser line. The cycle operates between these two pressure lines. So let's start from somewhere here. Okay, you have a pump where water is pumped, the saturated liquid is pumped, pressure is increased, and then you have the water in the feed water supplied to the boiler, and what is given is the exit of the boiler is the saturated steam, and that is the entry point to the turbine. So this is again the constant isentropic process that takes place in the turbine, and then you have the heat rejection in the condenser. So you have the cycle here 1 2 3 4. So 2 to 3 is in boiler, this is in turbine, the isentropic expansion, and then you have the isentropic compression in the pump, and this is 1 to 4 is heat rejection in condenser. Now which part of the heat, now this is fairly inside your latent heat part. The latent heat part at this pressure would be totally this into this will be a total latent heat part, and some portion of the latent heat is this 1 to 4. And so basically the heat that is rejected by the condenser, or basically heat absorbed by the heat exchanger, the other fluid of the heat exchanger in the condenser, is basically due to the phase change from the high dryness fraction at 4 to the saturated water at 1. So at 4 you have the high dryness fractions 0.8 or 0.7, it gives out heat. So that heat content is basically your latent part only, because it doesn't involve any temperature change. So only due to, or heat content given out in condenser is only due to phase change, so only due to phase change, no temperature change, okay, and that is your latent heat. So the answer is B. Thank you.